Good evening, kids. Today we are going to know about the alphabetical order. Here, arrange the following words in alphabetical order they have given like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Is they are in alphabetical order? No. Look at the following example 2, 3, 10. The numbers above have to be arranged alphabetically, but they start with the same letter T. In such cases, we look at the second letter. 10 comes before 3 and 2 because the second letter E of 10 comes before the second letter H of 3 or W of 2. So here 10 in 10 E is second letter, in 3 H is second letter, in 2 W is second letter. In number 2, 3 comes first and 10 later. But in alphabetical order 10 comes first before 3 and 2 because of the second letter of the word. Understood? Next, shall we move? Thus, they will be arranged alphabetically as 10, 3 and 2. Now, let's do one exercises with this alphabetical order. Look here, arrange the following words in alphabetical order. They have given four alphabetical groups: pot, pin, pen, pan and pull. Here, pot, second letter, all the letters start with P, letter P, 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 P here. So we can't arrange P as a alphabetical order. We have to go for second letter. Here O, I, E, A, U. So what comes first? P after A. A comes first. So I write first pan here. Second after B is there? No. We have to go with E. A, B after C, D is no there. So we have to go next letter with E. So I write second here. Third, pin I for P, I and pin. After E there is no other letters are there. So I went with I. After that O, after that U. Pan, pen, pin, pot, pull. Number 1 is A. Second letter is E, I, O, U. Here they follow the order of A, E, I, O, U and a oval order. They follow the oval order. Second one, bulb, bat, bed, bowl and bib. There are 5 words are there. Here also they follow the A, E, I, O, U format. A for BAT, bat, E, BED, bed, A, E, I, B, I, B, bib, O, B, O, L, W, L, bowl, B, U, L, B, bulb. Here also they followed the A, E, I, O, U rule. Next, do it with yourself with me only. First letter is axe, apple, act, eight, aeroplane. All the words starts with A. You leave A. Second letter A is there. Is there any A is here? No. B, no. C is here? Yes, we have C. ACT, act is first letter. Next D. Is there any D? No. A, B, C, D, E. E is there. So we have to write A, E, R, O, P, L, A, N, E. Aeroplane. Third one is, we finish this also, this also. A, E. Next. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P is there. So we have to follow this one, A, P, P, L, apple. Next one, after P, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Next letter comes A, T, E. Next letter, left only one, A, X, E, X. You have to follow like this. Alphabetical order is nothing but ABCD. It follows the ABCD format. You have to write A after B, B after C, C after D. If it's not there, you have to go through the next letter. You have to go through the next letter like that. Here another one is there. I will finish that also. First letter is A, S, A, I, L, sail. E, A after B is not there. C is not there. So E, S, E, N, D, send. Next A, E. I is there? No. They didn't follow the A, E, I, O, U order. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K is there? Yes, K, A, T, E, skate. Next K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, K, L. S, L, A, T, E, slate. Last one, stool. Left with stool. So they have you have to write like this. Follow the second letter of the word that is called alphabetical order. So here another one activity is here. Make 10 words with a letter from the word elephant. Here they have given the word of elephant. You have to write the letter words of each letter. E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Can you do it alone? No. Let me start with the letter of E. E, G, G, egg. Write simple words. Then L. L say L, E, A, F. Leaf. E, L. E again. E, Y, E, I. P for pen. Pen or pencil. H for hat, hens. Write something simple words. A for apple, apple. N for nest, nest. Phalephan, T for 10. You left another two words. Again start with E. E from E you have to write egg, I, ear. E-A-R, ear. Next L for lamp. You have to write like these the simple words. Make the words from the letter this one. Next, now write the above words in alphabetical order. Here you wrote all the 10 words, no? Write it in alphabetical order. First, which letter comes? A. So write A-P-P-L-E, apple. Is there any B letter? No. Next, E, A, B, C is not there. E for E, egg, I and ear. So, what letters comes first? G or A? We have to write ear. E-A-R, ear. E-G-G, egg. First we started with letter A. A after B is not there, so we started with V. E. E second letter is A. G, E, Y. E, Y, E, E. So we have to follow first letter alphabetical order also, second letter alphabetical order also. After E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So we wrote hat here. I, J is not there. L. So we wrote lamp first, leaf second. Why? In the word lamp, A is the first letter of alphabetical with letter L. So L-A-M-P, lamp is first, then L-E-A-F, leaf. After that, I-J-K-L-M is not there. N-E-S-T, nest. P-E-N, pen. And the last letter is T. So we have to go with 10. Like this, we have to follow the alphabetical order from the first letter and second letter. we have to follow both first letter and second letter also. This is called alphabetical order. Thank you. Dhanyavad.